dancing in the air, still feel your hands run through my hair. I try and occupy my mind, but I can't hide. It's too soon and it's too fast. I try to fight it, hoping that it wouldn't last.
I just got home from buying everything that I need for Siargao. A little unboxing. Naka-sale ni siya, guys. A recent shirts. Duwa akong ipalit. But 790. I got it for 590. Black o white. Yung na ako siya gusto baliton niya. Karoon na lang ako na timingan na on sale. Kanipod sale po ni siya, guys. 2.5 ni siya last na kong kitaan ni. And then ano ko, look siya guys. Then ganina. Nag-ato na ako. 1,490 na lang. Retro na t-shirt.
Naman yung likod mo na pink.
Ini. Ito ko guys, ang atong mga napalit sa SM. Yan siya guys. Mararang mag-golf, no? Ano na siya. Simple lang na bathing suit. A flowy, long pants. This one. I got it on medium. Ito naman.
Bisik mahal ang sipon. Ay.
What's it cost? What's the price to replace this heart of mine? I fixed it once, broke it twice. I can't fix it. What's it cost? What's the price to replace this heart of mine? I fixed it once.
We just arrived, guys, in our accommodation here in Siargao. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour of our room. This is our room, guys, from outside. Here, the pwede ka magsampay din here. Then, upon entering, you'll see the mini kitchen. Then, mini refrigerator. Very spacious kayong na room, guys. The night TV. Apple kani. And this is bed. Masulay mini dining for two. Then as we go here, muna yung CR. Pwede na ay free na blower. So, na po na siya shampoo and body wash. With free things na po dahil. This is our first outfit for the trip. Kini guys na kahit na ako sa Shopee. And 65 pesos. 8 nakabuok na arayos. Murag madam-madam. Crocs gihapon ta guys.
I was the age of 8 when I played the tape, and I heard a voice come through. You were singing loud and singing strong to the words I barely knew. I was hanging on to the edge of the song, waking up all my senses. I'm untied, I'm singing along for the first time.
Just woke up from a nap and we are on our way to night swimming.
For the first time.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2. Currently working right now. Nandito kayo dito sa among resort na i-stayan kay mas kaayo ang wifi. Mas sa wifi sa akong landlord. Good morning, Wakit.
heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time just trying to describe her. I don't know where to start. All my life I knew she's my baby. I can't hide it, making me crazy. Sometimes I close my eyes and dream.
Trabaho or vacation? Kuya, magtrabaho, uy. Charis, wala pang bayad sa vacation.
You got me shaking.